Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Martin, the Stock Club, Martin Investment Group. It's Jordan Martin, back with another daily watch list. So, three stocks we're going to look at real quick, starting off with Netflix for tomorrow, which will be October 25th. All right, Netflix formed the inside day for us on the daily. So, we're just going to look at a short entry potentially if we can make a new low, right? So, if we're making a new low for tomorrow, then we'll go ahead and look at targeting the low of the previous day. And so that would be an entry at 280.35. So I'll go ahead and lay that out, 280.35. Go ahead and give me 280.30 just for a clear, clear break, clear trigger. Take puts down to a retest of about 265.70 or so. The second one will be Texan. Overall, downtrend, had a nice little scoop pullback right here. So I'm looking to go ahead and see if we can catch a move down. We do have earnings. You see earnings are tomorrow. So the first trade would just be a day trade. It won't be a swing. This is a good swing setup. But if we make a new low, we won't be swinging it. We're going to go ahead and set an alert for 158.60. So that can trigger that low break to take puts. And then we have AMAT, Applied Materials, same concept, low, scooping back up. Has a gap above, so we could take the high over this candle, which was 85. So we'll take 85.55, and then we'll also look at taking the low, which would be 81.89. All right, and that's it. So if you want to see us call these out, trade these live every single day in the Discord, links in the description. Hopefully this helps. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.